हम लोग जो संविधान लोकतंत्र रोकने बचाने का जो प्रयास था उसमें हम लोग जो है काफ़ी हद तक कामयाब हुए। अब हमारी यही उम्मीद है कि जो भी नई सरकार बने खास तौर पे बिहार को विशेष राज्य का दर्जा दिलाए और जो हम लोगों ने 75% जो आरक्षण जो बढ़ाया है उसको शेड्यूल 9 में जो है वो किया जाए।
आप चाहते हैं कि सरकार इंडिया बनाना चाहिए, प्रयास करना चाहिए?
देखिए हमारी सरकार प्रयासरत तो हम लोग रहेंगे उसमें देखिए प्रयासरत लोगों को रहना चाहिए, क्यों नहीं रहना चाहिए।
आपने कहा के बाद नीतीश जी बड़ा फैसला ले सकते हैं, क्या दबाव है कि इंडिया ब्लॉक आ गया है?
सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बात है कि भाई बिहार को विशेष राज्य का दर्जा मिलना चाहिए किसी भी कीमत पे, और जो आरक्षण की सीमा जो 75% है उसको शेड्यूल 9 में डालना है। अगर होता है कुछ ऐसा, अगर हम लोगों के पास आएगा तो हम लोग जरूर
नीतीश कुमार जी को क्या कहेंगे? बहुत अहम है और नेता के साथ ही जा रहे हैं।
All right, so two interesting reactions, of course, coming in there. Let me get your reaction to that, A.K. Mishra. Chirag Paswan, of course, pledging his support completely behind Narendra Modi. Meanwhile, Tejasvi Yadav saying the door is still open. There will be discussions, deliberations today, Tejasvi Yadav is saying, in the India Alliance camp.
See, actually for opposition, whether it is Tejasvi Yadav or Samajwadi Party or any other party, they are very much firm and they will try. What they will try, that if India Alliance is making government, then there will be no question. Whatever they have decided, they will try to implement. But even as a opposition, if BJP plus is going to make a government, they will start trying each and every time in each and every session of parliament. Forcefully, they will try to implement their agenda over the country. But the country has chosen the development, the country has chosen the government who believes in equality, in similarity. This will not be possible. The second important thing, what I am looking for Bihar, what Bihar was lacking since you can say 30 or 70 years, Chirag Paswan is emerging as a new leader. 5 out of 500% strike rate. It means it is showing that he is emerging a new leader. He is emerging as a future of Bihar. And as soon as it may be possible, just after 1 or 2 years after, there will be the state government elections will be there. I think this party will play a major role as allies of BJP. And then whatever he is asking, special, you can say the Darja for Bihar. What do you mean by special Darja for the Bihar? You do the special development, Bihar will be special for each and everyone. Bihar was the special for entire globe, for entire earth. There was the time in history. You see the dynasty, you can Magad, Vaishali, all these area, all these period. Bihar was really special based on the Purushart of Bihari, not based on the leader. Bihari leader, typical Bihari leader cannot provide a special darja or a special situation for the Bihar. It will be possible with the Chirag Paswan as well as the allies, NDA government. And Bihar will develop. Sooner or later, definitely Bihar will also shine. Yes.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.